Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we'll take a look at my Gudetama and Tokidoki egg. Actually, I have two. I bought two at the recent Singapore Comic Con, or rather the inaugural Singapore Comic Con 2019. So we'll have an egging of this figure. Let's have a look at the egg itself. Plastic egg, gachapon style with the characters and information as a sticker around the egg. This is a collaboration between Gudetama and Tokidoki, as you can see here. And very cool. I snagged this on the way out of the event on the second day. It's a last minute purchase. And pretty keen to look into it. Let's have a look. Seal wrapper within. Cheeky, yeah, which is fine. Let's have a look at the menu. This in itself is also cute. I mean, I'm a sucker for Gudetama, and Tokidoki really helps fuel that toy desire, man. Very cute. Nice. Very nicely done. Let's put this aside. Okay, seal bag. Tokidoki print on it. Okay. Cute. Yay. This figure. Forgot the figure's name. Does have a name here. Maybe it has a name here. No, it doesn't have a name. Tokatella? I'll super it here below when I edit this figure. Nice. I like the clear aspect of it. I think that's the plus aspect of this though. I don't know if this is the idea content, but it's like the egg white of the Gudetama. It's a lazy egg. So nice. PVC figure. Painted PVC, which is always fine with me. No big issues. I like the detail here. You see the donut. Gudetama is the donut. Hilarious. Cute, lah. Okay. Time to open the second egg. Let's open this up. Wow, harder. Okay. It crashed. You know, people say, as I remember, people say you feel the figure and whatnot. With the eggs and the double seal, yeah, you can't really feel anything. Thought that was pretty hilarious. Oh, isn't that just great? Doubles, man, I pulled doubles. Yeah, I don't think that's very funny, but it was funny for a split second, but yeah, okay. So one of these will be on sale or trade, or maybe both of them. I mean, I'm not a keen, I don't really love getting doubles. If it's fine, if it's just two different ones, but you know, I don't need the entire, I would love the entire set, but I don't need the entire set. Now, with doubles, I don't really know if I want any of them. At least one of them will be on sale. Thank goodness they're adorable. That's all I can say. Nevertheless, thank you for watching. TOYSREVIL's Unegging unboxing. See you again real soon.